Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we have a face-off between two 3D printing titans, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Let's dive in and see which one deserves a spot in your tech lair. First up, let's talk about price. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a cool $375, making it a great value for its high resolution and print quality. Meanwhile, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is priced at $399. For just $24 more, you get additional features like automatic bed leveling and filament runout sensor. Reviewers say that the Sonic Mini 8KS offers impressive value for its price, while the Adventurer 5M provides a refined experience with advanced features. Now, let's move on to resolution. The Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market with a jaw-dropping 22 micrometers, making it ideal for printing models that require small details. Reviewers have praised its ability to produce highly accurate prints. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M, while not specifically highlighting its resolution, is known for its fast and quality prints. If detail is your priority, the Sonic Mini 8KS is the way to go. Talking about speed, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the Usain Bolt of 3D printers with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers love its fast printing capabilities and efficient performance. The Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, is known for its meticulous and slower process, ensuring high-quality prints. If speed is what you need, the Adventurer 5M has you covered. Next up, ease of use. The Sonic Mini 8KS is user-friendly and perfect for beginners, making it easy to get started with 3D printing. Reviewers have found it to be a decent option for those new to resin printers. The Adventurer 5M, however, offers features like full auto one-click leveling, making it an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free experience. Its ease of use and reliability have been highlighted by many users. Now, let's talk about some cool features. The Adventurer 5M has a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, ensuring your prints are not interrupted. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features and reliable performance. Meanwhile, the Sonic Mini 8KS is compatible with most slicers, offering flexibility in software options. If you value compatibility and flexibility, the Sonic Mini 8KS is a great choice. And finally, let's not forget about the surface quality. The Sonic Mini 8KS promises smooth surfaces with up to 50% less layer lines, making your prints look flawless. Reviewers have praised its ability to produce smooth and detailed prints. The Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, offers vibration compensation and precise extrusion, ensuring consistent quality. If you want a printer that provides a refined surface finish, the Sonic Mini 8KS is your go-to. Overall, reviewers have found the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS to be a great value for its price, especially for those who prioritize high resolution and detailed prints. However, some users have noted issues with customer service and compatibility with certain slicing software. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, advanced features, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experts. That's all for today, smart shoppers. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're picking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another buying guide from Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping. Product links are in the description.